Alton. You should have me something there.
You should have just continue on the
No man, like me there, so I say, yo, Michelle, you know, dinner over there, dinner will come find out.
I think I come on it.
No, me no, so I don't come already.
You did just on your phone.
Come on,
don't walk us
over.
over. Ready?
Hello.
Hello.
Hi, good morning. How are you?
I'm alright.
Yeah. I saw you last night at the party.
Yeah, it was good.
Yeah.
What do you think?
Hello. Good morning. How are you? Tomorrow. I saw you last night at the party.
Yeah, it was good until somebody just smashed up my face.
Right. What happened there?
You know, same. I stand up good. I don't know what happened, like, you know, the drinks, the chili drinks from me or whatever. So I talk to him up and like, I reel up on it. So I say, what is for, bro? You're wrong, you think you're wrong.
Yeah. So what now?
Can I start with?
Where?
Sorry.
I saw you at the party last night.
Yeah, it was good.
Right. What happened there?
Well, then I thought it would be a lot person like explosions. Talk to him about it. I read up like say. So I said, I guess over there. You're wrong, you think you're wrong.
Yeah. So, about that guy, you want him dead or what?
In passing place with me. I think he know about this and he knows the
Well, you know, that's what I do for a living. So, you want anything I can help you.
Yeah, but I appreciate that and I love that.
Alright. Take my number.
Alright. Yeah.
Do you appreciate that I love that? No. I appreciate that I love that. Ready?
Yeah, but I appreciate that and I love that. So, yeah.
Alright, take my number.
Yeah.
Wait. Action.
Yeah.
But I appreciate it.
Yeah, but I appreciate that and I love that.
Alright, take my number.
Yeah, thank you.
So, you call me whenever you need me. Yeah. Good day.
Yeah.
Alright, come back. You call me whenever it is.
Alright. Alright. You call me. Alright, here. You call me whenever you need someone to talk.
Yeah, I will.
What line?
Sultan, where just shoot a while ago?
I think I got the wrong one. The wrong one. What's that movie name?
Surprise!
If you do want to add something now when you send me up this one.
I saying this here. Girl, me know somebody will kill people for your living. What you want me to do? I'm getting number. Ray, whatever. Alright. I'm getting number. We'll try to get it if it don't hurt. If they don't want it, then shoot them. Ready?
What you say? What you really say? This year? Stick in your face. Don't worry yourself. Don't worry yourself. You know somebody will crazy people can live. Every time nobody trouble you. Hey. So at the same you know somebody will give you their living. They'll give you one number, so just stick it on. They'll take say number, so just stick it on. Yeah man, just make sure you call the person. I might tell her say, quick. Dirt him. Yeah, you'll text you and you'll send him. Right. Right. Let's start here.
Yeah, so
Cut.
Relax, man. Nothing wrong with it. Sit up, pull up. Relax.
Hold on a few.
Yeah, top, laugh. Top, laugh. Come. Don't wipe out the tears out there. Make it full. Don't wipe off your
Alright, me a
tears.
call her now.
Come here.
Don't put it back there, it's about me not here, put it on the
Yeah,
yard.
ball no, ball it. Snow. Serious ball, yeah.
Hello?
Shackelberry.
Hello, want you?
Me can't.
What do you?
Just call up for me right now, please.
Want you? What do you?
Man, he break me heart. He say he don't love me no more.
Break your heart.
Yeah.
What you mean by you don't want you no more? What you feel like? You know tell him say your name Charlie.
He must someone look at something. Just call up for me. Come with me here, talk. I can't talk over the phone right now.
Alright, me a come.
Alright.
And tap your ball in.
Oh, so they have to say, well, get short, so. So we can't see a yay for me, yeah, so we can't see. You understand? Ready now? No. Before now, you have to work. You can't, then, you know, start and continue. Yeah, I do. You know, I see you can't just move it. Put
Put this up here.
it close up. Close.
They want me out. They want me like this.
We're out, cut 2 pieces more. Just try 2 pieces more. Just grab it 12 minutes.
Yeah, man.
Alton, why are you telling the young lady to put the onion in her eyes?
That's what one in the bar. Come. You know, but never ball over money.
Why?
See, never ball over
Think
money.
this a blood clot, get a
When you
clot.
never ball over your sister, see, man.
No, but the ball because me da feel, you know.
Holla! Holla! You know, move first and then
Eu vou falar minha tia, eu até me chamo, minha bala, já tem a water.
Ita ko no, munda wala.
Amor, não é essa bala, não é porque não bala, não é.
Now come on to the staff. Come wait.
Yeah, but it's too close to me, I know.
Video there.
Alright. Ball now, ball. Good.
This year.
Alright, what you tell me? I'm
So they make it
So
look
they know-
like when you